Hello, my name is Suhan Reyes with name 2210110600127. In this video, I will talk about the distracts sorter path, introduction, determining a sorter path is important and needed in connection with optimizing the time uses and sound saving is other fields. With the shorter path traveled, making work more effective, faster, and can curtailing a core cost savings, the shorter path be interpreted as the minimum value of a path, which is the sum of the values of all path subs. Literature review. This is research is described as shorter path search simulation using the Dijkstra algorithm that can help me in feeding the shorter path with a me that has been set and described. Number one, graph theory. Two, shorter path. Three, algorithm definition. Four, Dijkstra algorithm. Geography theory. Graph theory. Graph G equal to in brackets V, comma E, A, to brackets, in which case V equal to non-empty set of verticals equal to curly brackets V1, comma V2, comma blah blah Vn. E equal to set of edges connection a pair of vertices equal to curly brackets A1, A2, blah blah blah, AN. When viewed from the direction on the side, in general, graph can be divided into two types, namely, number one, underextend graph. When viewer under the graph, an underextend graph is a graph whose side have no direction. In a understand graph, the order of pairs of vertical connection by edges is incoordinate. Two, directed graph. A directed graph is a graph whose sides have a clear directional orientation. A directed side is called an arc. Shorter path. The word shorter in a path problem means the process of weight minimization in a graph path. Some type of shorter path problem include number one, shorter path between two verticals. Two, shorter path between all pairs of verticals. Three, shorter paths from a given vertex to all other verticals. Four, the shortest path between two verticals that pass through some verticals. Shorter paths is solving the problem of a weight graph G equal to V, A and A vertex A, determining the shorter path from A to very outer vertex in G. The assumption we make is that all edges are positive weight C figure 1, 2 alongside. Algorithm definition. the word algorithma is taken from the word algorithm, which comes from the name of a famous Arab sequentist, namely Abu Ja'far Muhammad ibnu Musa al-Khwarizmi, and by Webster pronounced an algorithm. And the definition of algorithm itself is a set of interaction or commands that are made clearly and systematically. Algorithm takes writing roles. An algorithm is a definition of the step to solve a problem. The, this description can be written in any form of no of notation as long as it is easy to read and understand. There is no standardized notation for writing algorithm text. Discrete algorithm. Discrete algorithm is an algorithm uses to determine the shorter distance from one vertex to another in a weighted graph. The distance between vertical is the weight value of each edge in the graph. A weight must be positive. Weight null distrust algorithm was discovered by Edgar Wabi. Discrete algorithm is also known as a greedy algorithm, which is an algorithm that solves problem by fitting the maximum value of the graph. An example of a graph that will be solved by this algorithm is as follows. Step to determine the shorter distance for A to J using discrete algorithm. Discrete algorithm are as follows. Initiality, the status of nodes that have not been selected is initialized with 0, and two that have been selected are initialized with E, starting from node I, determining the weight of the node that is discretely related to the source node, namely node A, source A from node A to node B, equal to 2, comma, from node A to node C, equal to H, from node A to node D, equal to 3, and for nodes E, comma F, comma G, comma H, comma I, comma J are initialized with, because there is not part that connects directly to net A. 2. The processor source node of nodes A to B, C, D is A, because the distance is calculated from node A to node A is called predecessor sort node. While for nodes phi, G, H, E, Z is initialized with, because there is not part are the director connect from node A, so the distance was not excited. The program will stop because all nodes have been selected, so that it will produce the shorter path from node A to each shading node. To see which path is selection can be tracked from its predecessor. So there will be A to B, A, B, to as A to C, A to B, to C, 7, A to D, A to D, A to D, A to D, 3, A to A to B, A, 4, A, F, A to F, A to B to E to F, quality kind, quality 2, Sanford, A to G, A to B to D, and 6, A to H, A to B to E to H, 11, A to E, A to B to E to H to E, for 15, A to G, A to B to A to J, 9, consolation from the range and result of the implementation of the Dijkstra algorithm based of the trajectory. It can be considered that number one, in determining the shorter path, describes algorithm operation from the initial node or source to the destination node, whereas node has a predetermined distance value. Two, by using the zigzag method, the shortest part of a travel path can be determined by determining the starting vertex and destination vertex and comparing the vertex value. My name. Thank you so much.